Yeah. Hi. Najua nimevaa cap na sionekani vizuri, but anyway, lazima watu waonekane, si ndio? Anyway, hi guys. Hi, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing. No, usichukue baba. Usichukue sawa. Kitu yangu natumia kurecord sound. Sawa. I hope you're all doing well. I hope mko salama and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Najua nimepotea sana. Sorry. I've not been feeling that well. Nimekuwa nikiumwa na jino. Guys. Sikuwa najua kuumwa na meno ni kitu uchungu. Nyamaza. Ni uchungu, but I'm fine. I'm well. I'm doing good now. Yeah, I'm in the countryside, still at home. I'm with my baby here, so I just decided let's catch up. I show you around. I show you what has been happening for a while. As I also try to catch up and see what is in the farms, what is here and there. So yeah, for a while haijakuwa ikinyesha kidogo, si sana. Kuna nyesha kidogo ile ya mimea tu, but it's fair off, si ndio? Say hi. Sema hi. Say hi. Say hi. Anataka kuninyang'anya tu kamera peke yake. She's my nephew. Sijui, but either of those, si ndio? Kukuruku. Let's go catch up. I wanna show you around. Twendeni kwa shamba. Say hi. Sema hi. Sema hi guys. Sindio? Hi guys. Teni mfunze mapema kukuwa content creator tu. Sawa, haina shida. Acha tusurure tu kwa shamba. Babu. Sindio? Yo, it has been a minute. I love how Papa. Okay, unaona shida hii popo. Sasa lazima like kuwe na male na female. So I think hii ni female. So we don't have the male one. We don't have the male one. So haziripe kuiva ile ya ukweli. Inafikanga tu hapo. And then inapotea. This one finally survived. Hii ni inaitwa? This one is a mango. If there were two, one died, this one survived. Then here, I love these arrowroot. Ndoma is my favorite. It's my favorite snack. It's snack. Although inakuwa na carbohydrates mingi, lakini it's my favorite. Here we have what in it? Strawberry. Nataka strawberry. Hapana. No. Then here ni broccoli. This is where we get our water from. And right here some banana. I want to eat apples and banana. Oh, ng'ombe ilikuja ikakula hizi. Yo, this is so sad. Kula mahindi zote but haijaua. And then we have an avocado tree over there. Some more banana. Nini? Ne. Kaku. Sorry, I'm around the. Here's a banana. And we have the one which is right over there. No, baba, siwezi fikia. Kameiva moja. And also that one. Imeiva baba moja tu na iko mbali siwezi fikia. Sawa. I want to eat apples and banana. No, season kachuna. And for the lovers of sugarcane, here we have plenty of them. I used to eat them kitambo, but squeezy nowadays I don't because of my teeth. I don't because of my teeth. You want one? Unataka kufanya nini baba? Yo, umetoanisha hayo paina wadudu ndani. Unajua samu zinakuanga na wadudu zile za kufanya pollination. Toto? Haina dudu. Haina dudu, si ndio? Haina dudu. Some people usually find me talking with the baby and they're like, mnaelewana ukweli na mtoto? Yeah, tunaelewana. Tutaongea tu Kisheng hivyo. Kisheng ama ni Chinese. And tutaelewana tu. The code lazima ikodike. Dai. Mama. Yani kidogo niseme ni grade kai sasa. Ni nursery. Sijui nini nataka kupandwa, but it's something. Let's go see the baby rabbits. Tuende tuone nini baby rabbits, ndio? Baby rabbits. I think I showed you the problem. Unaona sasa shida hizi kuku. Ni hawa kuku. Wanainganga kwa shamba, then they come and destroy almost everything. Wakikula kula tu hivyo. But anyway, maybe ni fault yangu sikufunga mlango. Baba. Tai. Tufunge mlango tuende tuone baby rabbits, ndio? Wamekuwa kubwa baby rabbits. Niliachanga kama wajakuwa wakiwa middle size. So let's go and see. Vile wametoshana. Why are you crying? You wanted to go home? No, it's not time to go home. You go see the baby rabbit. Utajua kusimama wewe? Ndio nionyeshe my people the baby rabbits. Huh? Umesema yes, si ndio? Yeah? Yes. Kuna kuku wananifuata hapo, nadhani niko na chakula. Hawa. Ne, wananifuata, si ndio? Na sina chakula yao. Wawaisha. Chimokele. Kuku hapa na ni baby rabbit. Simama hapo. Simama, niangalie baby rabbit. Look at the baby rabbits, they're so big. Yo, I never thought they would survive, but you know, there were 5, 3 of them died. At least we have something. Na wako na chakula already. Wanakulanga tu matawi. So it's kind of easy. I'm showing you. Look at them. Look at them. So yanaguza kamera yangu. Ingine kanaingia wapi? Ndio hapa. Let's see the father. You want to come here? No. No. You want to see? Let's see this one is the father. Hello. Hello. Kwani what happened na mdomo yake? What happened? What happened? Anakaa mgonjwa. Ona venye kanakula. Ona. Kanaka kagonjwa. Ah no, kitu hii. Kanaka kagonjwa. My mic imezimika. Shida ya kutumia mic can be yapping alafu ushtuke kamepotea. Mama anataka? Unaweza chukua hiyo sasa, I'm not using it again. Kwa nataka kukati simu lakini sasa. Huyo amenilazimisha nikaikata. Mimi tuangalie ng'ombe, si ndio? Wanakula. They are feeding. Sema hey guys. Sema hey guys. Sema hey guys. Sema hey guys. Nini? Naongea nani? Hey guys. Oh, don't judge me by how my hair looks like. I'll do something. Najua ni mbaya. I'll do something. I'll do something. But the hair is on okay girl. I don't feel like I can really zoom it well. Let me keep up. Tabu. Oh yeah. Die. Yeah. Oh, we just tumamua tukuketi chini. Yo. Baby. Sasa ongea vizuri sasa tusikie. I want to eat apples and banana. I want to eat apples and banana. Anyway guys, this is a very short vlog. The main thing of this vlog, I just wanted to update you kwenye nimekuwa for all that long, and I've told you that I wasn't feeling that well. I had a toothache. Gote kulikuwa kumefura and I couldn't record anything because I wasn't okay and I was struggling. I couldn't even talk that much because the moment I could talk, I was irritating my sick mouth. So I just preferred not to do anything. But I'm back. I wanted to do a root canal, but I don't feel like doing it. I fear the pain. And umefanya nini? No, where's the thing? Mama could disconnect vitu zangu, but anyway, she's just a baby. I wanted to do a root canal and I think it's painful and I fear pain. But anyway, I think I'll just have to do it when time is right. But not now. I'll still manage it with some pain meds. And I know I'll be fine. I know I'll be okay. Because why not? I have to be fine so that I'll be able to do my content back to back, update you on a lot of things. Yeah. It's fun. Anyway guys, if you're watching me for the very first time, thank you for joining in to my video. Thank you for joining in and watching my videos. I really appreciate it, Sana. Thank you for the 500 subscribers. I feel so much happy, so much humble. It's God. Yeah, and everything is possible. We are in a road to 1,000 subscribers. Now, kila kitu ni possible. So we managed to monetize before the end of this year. Yeah, I'll be consistent because we must monetize. We must, grow. Lazima tufike where we want to be. And for you who are starting the content creation journey, just do it. If you feel like you wanna do it, just do it. Hakuna limit, and no one cares. So if you feel like if you do this and this, if there's someone who will care out there, no, nobody cares. Just shoot your own funny thing, your own shagala bagala, and no one actually cares. It's only you, your phone, your microphone. What? Stand up. No one really cares. Just do it. Do it. Make yourself happy. And you'll grow pole. See you. when I started, I thought that I needed to be perfect, but as the time goes by, I feel like it's not a must to be perfect. Look at that. I think it's just nice living in the countryside. You can see the trees, you can see everything. You can just enjoy life from wherever place that you are in. So, and nothing is impossible. You can do it. If you really want to do it, you can just do it. You can make it. So,
Oh my God,
it's 2025 and it's crazy that I started my YouTube channel 2 years ago. And for the first 2 years I've only managed to get 500 subscribers and 280 watch hours. I know that's crazy, right? It's crazy, but be consistent. I wasn't consistent in my first 2 years. My first year, I think I started being consistent in my last quarter year. In those 2 years, I was consistent. The last few months, I started being super consistent last year, October, and today we are in May, and I think I'm doing well. I'm doing pretty well. The fab that I've gained, it's good. It's good. But I'm targeting that by the end of this year, I'll be able to have monetized it and to have monetized it. Do I know what I have to do it? No. Look at that view, guys. The sky is so clear today. We will not be having any rain today. It's clear. No. Wewe, unataka kwenda wapi? You want to say hi? Sema hi. 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 No, don't. I want to take a picture of you. Sema hi. Sema hi. No, mama, no. I love babysitting. I feel like children makes you just happy, helps you to relieve stress, and also they can give you stress. They do it all. They are. Nimaliza kuongea kwa simu. They are good. No, Mimi. No, Mimi. No, Mimi. 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 No. You know. Yeah, guys, let's support each other. Let's grow. Let's do it. You know. Mama. No. Anyway, guys, bye-bye. See you in the next video. I think I'll be doing a each day update. I'm giving myself that challenge. Each day update for the next 30 days. I see how it goes. You know, I think that's a nice idea. 30 days vlogging. Toodles! This is the first vlog challenge for 30 days challenge. You know, continuous. Bye bye. See you tomorrow for the next vlog. Say my bye. Say bye. Bye. Sema bye. 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 Sema bye nimaliza vlog basi. Sema bye. Huyo akisema bye nitasema itakuwa bye. Sema bye. 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 Hivi fanya hivi bye. Fanya bye hivyo hivi. Bye. Bye. Bye bye. See you tomorrow for another vlog. Bye.